Hello everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. Today is Saturday, October 8th. I can't believe it's the 8th already. And today, as on every Saturday, I am off, but I am working from home today. I have lots to catch up on today, but the problem is we don't have any internet. So I can't upload any videos. I can't do any Patreon posts. I can't do a lot of the things that I would like to do today because we don't have internet. But I still have internet on my phone, so I still can do my social media and stuff like that. I can monitor my website and my Etsy shop through my phone, which is nice. But yeah, today I have a lot to catch up on. Let's look at the itinerary. I need to put together my Patreon packages. So all of the packages for my $5 and plus Patreons, I need to put those together so I can mail them out on Monday. I have a new product launch and I want to work on the packaging for it today, take photos of it, and hopefully list it today. I really, really want to get this new product out there. I need to take photos. I need to take photos of products and just for Instagram in general. And I need to plan. I need to film. And I also need to fold laundry, but that's small. So yeah, that is the plan for today. It's almost 11 a.m. I stayed in bed until 10 because it's Saturday and I felt lazy. It's been a really, really hard week at work. Like, my body is aching. My job is very physical, and at the end of the week, I just feel like crap. But I've been dying to work on my Etsy, I always say my Etsy shop. I've been dying to work on my shop all week, and I also want to get some design work in today too after I'm done with this list. So yeah, let's get this day started and get this vlog going. So I'm really stupid, and my day kind of just pretty much got ruined. I forgot, with lack of internet, I am not able to print anything because my computer won't be able to find my printer. So I can't print the stuff for my Patreons, and I can't print the packaging that I wanted to design today. So I'm really pissed because today is Saturday and they're not even sending anybody to fix our internet until Tuesday. And by Tuesday, I'm busy Wednesday and I work Thursday and Friday. So this puts me back a whole week. So I'm freaking pissed. So yeah, my day literally just got ruined. Like, everything I wanted to do just got thrown down the toilet and shat on. So yeah. So because I can't print anything right now, I still really want to get these packages out to my patrons as soon as possible. So in my inventory, I was gonna do these die cuts anyway, and thankfully I had the 2 of each. And then I don't have a ton of these in my inventory right now, but I have these 4 sheets that I'm going to be sending as well. So yeah, I'm going to try to package these up. Fortunately, I can't look for the addresses because I don't have internet, and yada yada. But gonna try to get these out as soon as I can. So yeah. Them all packaged up. They're super cute. I love receiving small packages like this, so I really hope you guys enjoy them too. But yeah, if you want to join in on the fun and receive a small little surprise package every month. All you have to do is pledge to my Patreon page. You do have to do the $5 tier though. I apologize. I couldn't afford to do this for all of my $1 tiers. But yeah, even if you pledge $1, it'll mean so much to me. It really makes my day whenever I get a new patron. And once I reach the goal of 10 patrons, all of my patrons will receive a small little package like this from me as a one-time thank you gift. So yeah, I'm going to write the notes now and get these ready to go in the mail as soon as possible. Just kidding, I found the addresses, so I'll actually be able to ship these out on Monday, which really helps my mood right now. I'm actually going to show the new product that I was talking about earlier, because this vlog won't be up until after this is posted. But I have buttons in my shop now. I took my little pink deer illustration and I gave it a little speech bubble that says "You are a deer," and I turned it into a button. So they're really good quality, actually, even better than what I was expecting. And yeah, they're going to be on my website, OhSoFawn.com, when this video goes up. So yeah, I was just working on the packaging for these. I bought craft paper from Michael's, and I was going to print like some type of text and then have the little button on it. But my printer's not working right now. But I just want to test and see how this will hold up. It's pretty thick craft paper, so I'm hoping that it'll be good. And I just cut it into 2-inch, and then this is 3, so 2 by 3. I think that's the perfect size. So yeah. Something like that. It's not focusing. My stupid camera isn't focusing on the pen, but something like that is what I was going for. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to pin these on. Come up with so far. Obviously I'm not going to list them like this, but I just kind of was messing around. I'm obviously have the worst handwriting ever and would never post them looking like this, but I think the idea is there, and these work really great. They're really sturdy and just what I wanted. So yeah, I think they're pretty cute. I really want to put them up already. I think I just really want them to be in my shop. I want you guys to be able to buy them as soon as possible. So it's going to be really hard to not put them up like this. I won't be surprised if I put them up like this temporarily and then change the photo later. So yeah, we'll see. I just finished taking photos, taking product photos. And now all of this glitter has to go to waste. It's so sad. So I just finished filming my video for today. It was the process of me doing the first few pages of this tiny journal. I got this journal on our honeymoon from Sugar Boo & Co. And I thought it would be a really fun project since it was like literally the size of my palm. I thought it would be a really fun project to just create a cute little journal of just like happy and inspiring things. So yeah, I started it today. I have used some stickers from Shop Stellaire and some stickers from Michael's. This is one of my designs. I don't sell it anymore. Some of my stickers, and I just thought I would have fun doing a different type of video than I usually do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if it's up before this vlog or after, but I had a lot of fun doing it, and I know it was kind of rough because it was my first time doing such a small scale thing, and it was kind of hard to like fit everything and film everything, but hopefully I'll get better as time goes on. But yeah, that's my video for today. Now I have to clean up the aftermath, and I still have those balloons. Keep telling myself I'm gonna throw them out, but they're still here. But yeah, I need to clean up everything now. Okay, so I just finished planning my week, and I think it looks horrible. Like, you look at it and it's like, what's going on? Because you look at my past weeks and everything matches and goes together, and the colors complement each other. And then you look at this week and it's like, what was I thinking? It looks really bad. Also, I don't have like anything planned for this week, so I just wrote down random shit that's probably not gonna happen. So yeah, like I'm probably not gonna do that. Probably will forget to pick up groceries. Probably won't have any errands to run. Don't actually know if I'll have any laundry or cleaning to do. This is up in the air. We very well could go out this night. So yeah, this is just a bunch of BS, and I wish I could rip it out and start over because it looks like crap. I guess I'm not in the right headspace today to be creative, so I'm gonna just close it and pretend like that didn't happen. I think I'm gonna call the vlog quits right here. I can't get anything done today without internet, and I feel like because of that, there's just nothing interesting to vlog. Like, I'm literally gonna spend the rest of the day, like, folding laundry and reading, because that's all there is to do. So yeah, I'm really sorry if this vlog, I feel like I say this in every vlog, but I'm really sorry if this vlog wasn't that interesting, and that it was boring or whatever. That's just how my life is. I guess that's what how my personality is. So yeah, I guess I could show you what book I'm reading. I'm currently reading A Court of Mist and Fury, which I think I touched on in my last vlog. I'm not that far into it. I haven't read since like a week ago. Haven't had time, work was crazy, but I'm going to try to read a bunch today since I have so much time on my hand with uninterrupted internet time. So yeah, I also need to take a shower so I can shave everything, because tomorrow my family, my husband and I are actually going to Blizzard Beach, which is one of Disney's water parks. So that's going to be tons of fun, and I think I really need to give myself a day to just rest. This week was so hard. Tomorrow's not going to be the most restful day, so I think I'm just going to take it easy for the rest of the day and relax and try not to think about work or work at home so much, since it's all kind of getting to me and catching up. But yeah, I apologize if this vlog wasn't what you wanted it to be. It's just how it is sometimes, but I really appreciate all your support. Big thanks to all of my patrons. You guys are making my day every day. It's really, really great to have you, and that is just such a fun platform to be on. So if you haven't heard of my Patreon, I will link it down below. But yeah, other than that, I just want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I hope you all have a wonderful week. Bye.